Hello childrens. Lesson number 4, angles and pairs of angles. Under this lesson, today we are going to see the next part of the lesson, that is the complementary angle. We seen it yesterday and we are going to see the supplementary angles. Okay? Supplementary angles. Before starting the supplementary lesson, the supplementary angles, just revise the definition of complementary angles. If the sum of measures of two angles is 90 degree, then it is called as a complementary angle. Then it is called as a complementary angle. Now, there is a little bit change in this definition. If the sum of two angles is sum of measures of two angles is 180 degree, then the angles are known as supplementary angle. It is called as supplementary angles. So that is the definition. From this what we are understanding, if two angles sum is 90 degree, it is called as a complementary angle. And if the sum of angle is 180 degree, to sum of two angles is 180 degree, then these angles are called as a supplementary angle. So for that, what they told you, take a point T on line AB. So we have to draw one line AB. On it we have to take the point T. This is point T. What kind of angle is ATB? So what is which type of angle? The types of angle was over for you last year. So the type of angle is the straight angle. It is straight angle. And you know that what is the measure of straight angle? Straight angle is 180 degrees. Okay, straight angle is 180 degree. Now what I will do, I will take one point here. That point is point D, and I will join this TD. I will join this TD. Now after doing this, just measure the angle ATD. ATD. Suppose ATD is equals to angle ATD. You just do this activity simultaneously with me. Your measures must be different from me. Okay. So angle ATD is equal to suppose 140 degree. 140 degree. And angle TDB. Angle TDB is equals to how much? 40 degree. Its sum is equal to how much? 180 degree. Okay. Its sum is a 180 degree, and that's why angle ATD and angle TDB are supplementary angles. Clear whatever I said to you? If the sum of measures of two angles is 180 degree, then these angles are called as a supplementary angles. Okay. So here it is the activity given to you. So what you have to do? You have to take a compass, measure what is the measure of this angle. Suppose I am telling, and now I am showing to you this. You have a textbook, you have a protractor, and you just measure it. Suppose its measure is 130 degree. ATB is equal to 130, and the measure of DBC is equals to how much it is there? 50 degree, and its sum is how much? 180 degree. Okay, then such a type of angles are called as a which angles? That is the supplementary. And so from this here it is a definition of the supplementary angle is written. If sum of measures of two angle is 180 degree, if sum of measures of two angle is 180 degree, then they are known as supplementary angles. Then they are known as supplementary angles. So here it is written that angle, see here, angle ABD and angle DBC are supplementary angles. Okay, this point is clear for you. Now what we will do, we will see the questions which is given here. Observe the angles in the figure. Okay, so here are two angles given, angle PQR and angle MNT. There are two angles. Enter the proper number in the boxes. So here it is the questions based on this activity is given, and such a type of activities may come in the exam, and at that time you have to draw these boxes also wherever it is shown in your textbook or in your question paper. So whatever questions are that they are asking, just we will write the answers over in front of it. Angle PQR. Angle PQR. What is the measure of angle PQR? 110 degree. Angle MNT. What is the measure of angle MNT? It is 70 degree. Right? Now here they told you how to read this? M for major of angle PQR. Okay, I'm teaching to you maths at first time. So how to read this? Major of angle, M for major of angle PQR is equal to 110. How to read this? Major of angle MNT is equal to 70 degree. Now next what we have to do? We have to find major of angle PQR plus major of angle MNT is equals to how much it is there? 180 degree. And just now I told you the definition of supplementary angle, that is if the sum of measures of two angle is 180 degree, then they are supplementary, and that's why here it is written that angle APQR and MNT are called as supplementary angles. Why? Because their angles measure sum is 180 degree. Okay, now we will see the one more question it is given based on this. So find the supplement of angle of 135. Find the measure of the supplement of 135. In yesterday's lecture inside, we solved this example, same example for complement. Here it is complement, and same example we have to solve for the supplement. Okay, so same thing is there, only sum of measures of two angle is 180 degree, then it is called as a supplementary angle. So find the measure of supplement of angle 135. Then the supplementary angle of angles measure, we have to assume that P degree. Okay, and then according to definition, the supplementary angle, here it is written that the supplement angle, let the supplementary angle measure of supplementary angle, you can take your own. Here it is P written, it's not necessary to take the P. I will take X degree. So according to the definition, which one angles we have to find the supplement? 135 degree plus, so here one statement we have to add at first, and that statement is the sum of measures of supplementary angles, sum of measures of supplementary angles is equals to how much? 180 degree, and therefore right here 135 plus x degree equals to 180 degree. X is equals to 180 minus 135. If you done the subtraction of it, this you will get the answer 45 degree. Understand? So 45 is the supplementary angle of 135. Okay, so in this way you have to solve the example. See here in our textbook also same method is given to us. So see here, the solving steps are different, but as you are going the higher classes, it's not necessary to write this all simple methods. Okay, directly we have to solve. Let the supplementary angle measure of angles measure be P degree. The sum of measures of two supplementary angle is 180. Just now I told you, first of all we have to assume that the name of the angle, measure of angle, then we have to write the definition of supplementary angle, and then just angle, given angle plus our assumed angle is equal to 180 degree, and solve this you will get the answer, that is the measure of supplement of an angle 135 is 45 degree. Okay, now here it is the another question, like yesterday only same question it is there, only we have to use the supplementary complementary plus supplementary. Here also some two angles measure is given with corresponds with the A, and here it is given in the A only. So here question we will understand, there are two angles. Suppose this is the angle, this angle is A plus 30 and this angle is 2A, A plus 30 and this is 2A, this is 2A we will take because it is greater, and A plus 30. Okay, so sum of these angles is 180 according to the definition. Then you solve the example. So here 1 plus 30 and 2a are the measures of two supplementary angle. What is the measure of each angle? So here we have to write the sum of measures of supplementary angle is 180. So a plus 15 and what is given? 2a. A plus 30 and 2a. A plus 30 plus 2a equals to 180. So before that here we have to write sum of supplementary angles be how much? 180 degree. Therefore a is plus 30 plus 2a is equal to 180. So a plus 30 plus 2a is equal to 180. A plus 2a is equal to 3a plus 30 equals to 180 degree. 3a is equal to 180. Step carries the marks. Okay, so each step in the example is very important because each step will carry directly answer. If you are writing, you will get the answers half mark, but when you have to maths inside, each step is important. Okay, so here 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15 and the 0. So a is equals to what we get it here, 50. Now the measure of particular angles we have to find out. So for that, therefore a plus 30 is equals to a plus 30 is equals to a plus 50 plus a's value we find it here, 50. So 50 plus 30 is equals to how much? 80. Okay, and 2a, another angle is 2a. 2a is equals to 2 into how much? 50 equals to 100. 2 into 50 is equals to 100. In this way you have to solve the example based on complementary. So both the solvings are given here and the measures of angle, this statement you have to write at last. The measures of angles are 80 and 100 degree. Okay, so this one we have completed. Now your homework is that you have to solve the practice set number 17. Okay, this is very easy example. You have to solve it in this way. This method you have to follow for this. Same for second question also, there is this only method. For third question, the word problems are given here, and for this last question, seventh question you have to follow the method which is given here. Okay, so all of you complete your homework, practice set number 17. So today we are going to stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.